like Pokemon. I wanna pack you like Pokemon.
Hey brownies, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do a bob tutorial. This is the Assyria Brazilian straight lace front wig. I believe in the inches 14 or 16. I can't really remember which one, but I'm gonna get right into it. So I'm putting my hair into a low ponytail and I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. And this is where I low-key messed up, you guys. Do not cut above, okay? Because you need to cut below. Do not cut above where the ponytail holder is, okay? Because as you guys can see on this side, this is where I was just cutting it just crazy. So putting it on my mannequin head as well. This is where I also messed up too. Make sure you guys put your mannequin head on something that is sturdy, something that's not going to move around too much. The thing that was holding my own was just moving around too much, and that's where I kind of messed up because I couldn't really eyeball where the hair was falling. So make sure you guys do that. Those are two important things to keep in mind while cutting your hair, okay? So, and another thing, these scissors are going to save your life. Do not use no kindergarten big scissors, okay? Get yourself some hair cutting scissors. These ones I got from from the beauty supply store, and these literally saved my hair. Like, I used to cut my hair with those big children looking scissors. Don't do that to yourself, because the ends of your hair they're gonna come out like raggedy and just rugged, and don't do it to yourself, okay? So go ahead, cut the hair, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. So here is the wig on my head, and as you guys can see, this side just looks so I'm gonna go ahead, put some oil on, and then I'm going to use my hot comb. This technique helps so much with, you know, slicking out the hair, making sure that the hair is laying flat. You know, get yourself some nice oil, and I swear by this oil. I love this oil. Don't ask what I'm drinking, you guys. Don't ask what I'm sipping on, okay? But you guys can also use BioSilk. Erica J on YouTube, she always talks about using that technique, and it really does work, and it helps a lot. So definitely do that. So you guys, over here, I'm just going to bump the ends of my hair, just so I can get that cute, you know, sleek look. Nothing crazy, but you guys will see in my next video coming up. It is a grown and sexy, get ready with me, you know, hair, makeup, outfit. Like the hair is actually this hair, right? But I put it into like a side part, and then, you know, made the bangs just looking delicious. You guys will see. You guys will see. You guys will be like, oh my god, Jenny, is that you? What? No. Oh my god. Yes, you girls trying to glow up, okay? You girls trying. So you guys just take your time with, you know, cutting your hair and trying to style it the way that you want to style it. Like, you guys will see here, I'm obviously messing up on this side of the hair and cutting it even shorter, even though it's already short. But I just, you know, it takes time, it takes practice to actually know what you're doing. And, you know, I'm still like low-key a beginner at hair and makeup and all that stuff, because, you know, with practice you get it, okay? So you guys, this is the finished look. You see how that side just looks delicious. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just trying to show you guys that everything is not going to be perfect. You don't need to be perfect to slay your hair, okay? See, it still looks cute. You can't even notice that look, he's kind of crooked, but you can't notice it, okay? You know, just put it behind your ear and you're good. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Stay awesome and stay blessed. I love you all.